Guys, I'm at a house where I'm doing an estimate. They have 3 systems that are 18 years old, and one of them needs replacing right now, so they called me for an estimate. We may actually get all 3, but I'm gonna take you along to show you what I'm looking for, what I'm looking at, generally the process of doing an estimate from beginning to end. So stay tuned.
It's a huge mess because of doing all the painting.
All right.
It's up here.
Through here?
Yeah. Yeah, you have the lights. That's good. But yeah, you kind of bend over as you walk. There you go. And it's to the right. Turn this on.
I see.
There you go.
We got a platform.
A total of 3.
Yes, ma'am.
So we kind of would like a quote on all 3, if that's possible, because they're all 18 years old.
Let me see. 4-ton.
Is the 4-ton there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
4-ton air handler anyway.
Yeah. And then the other 2, but we have another old.
And this one is a 2-ton. You got a nice attic space.
Oh, no.
Good access.
Thank you.
Okay, none of these have disconnects, but they have power shut off right here. They have breakers, which is okay for code around here. That serves as a disconnect, but I may quote them dedicated disconnects and new whips. All right, that one goes that way. And this one is also a 2-ton. I might be able to do that. So that's a 3.5. Okay, so I couldn't speak near as much as I wanted to because she was with me the whole time. But I was looking to see if they had disconnects. The ones in the attic, the air handlers did not, but they do have a breaker. I also was looking at the disconnect, or actually the panel outside, looking for access to see if anything's going to be particularly difficult. See about pulling new line sets. I'm probably not on this one, but we may do a line set flush. Now comes the part of calling and getting prices. Here we go. All right, the price for 4-ton heat pump split, 10 kW, with the disconnect, pad, emergency drain pan, and 2 SS2 float switches. My price is this right here. So I enter it here. If y'all can see that, 4235. I'm going to add my labor. Y'all see what I'm adding? I'm not sure if y'all can see that. First was my labor, 9 hours, and then my permit. Let me see. This is just general supplies to finish a job. I'm going to add a little bit here. I'm going back with another ream piece of equipment. So I don't expect duct modifications. Actually, I'm going back with a rood, as y'all can see here. So far, these are my bare prices. All right, and we're going to need a T6 thermostat with 3 heat and 2 cool. Add that. Line set flush. I'm actually going to take the line set flush off. Trying to see what else we may need. We're already up to 5,620 and I have not added any markup. I don't want to forget anything, because when you get on a job and realize, let's just do 30 amp home line breaker, add, and now we're ready for markup. So I'm going to get my calculator here, pull it off to the side. Right now we have a total of 5,709. 5,709. My markup is 40% times 0.4. So that right there is my markup on this. And I'm going to show you this price right here, the 42.35. I used to do 4 tons for just a little bit more than that, but that's what we're going to add our markup to. 6,519. All right, so what I'm offering here is a 10-year parts warranty and 1 year on labor, which means I have to register this thing. If I don't, it's going to come back to get me. So here we are with a 4-ton, no new line set, and almost $8,000. And that was with a 40% markup. Let me add a detail in here. 2. So that is a 2-stage 14 SEER 2 system. So that's one of my estimates right there. I quoted them a 20 SEER gree, and it was only $500 more, even with the voltage monitor and whatnot, and surge protector on the air handler. But I got a price on an 18 SEER rood, and just my cost for the 18 SEER rood was almost the same price as that estimate you just saw. Just the equipment, my cost. But this customer is somebody who's been Googling, and he wants an American-made piece of equipment and is requesting estimate after estimate after estimate. So I don't know if I'm gonna get it. First he asked for a Duquesne, and now and Ameristar, and now we might get a Carrier product. So that's going to be my next one. So, but he's not going to get a 20 SEER system anywhere close to the price of that Gree. I mean, that Gree price was so good, that may become my first offer now when I'm offering systems. But anyway, that's basically the process. I did give them the option of a new line set. And because it's a 410 system, we're putting in a 410 system. I didn't really see a need for it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps you and some of you guys doing estimates out there, or maybe doing estimates in the future. That's just how I do them. I hope it was helpful. If you like these kinds of videos, how about like and subscribe? And I'll catch you on the next one.